Hello everyone, สวัสดีครับ This video I will teach you how to dance JISOO Earthquake Golfy Dance Fitness version. Are you ready? Okay, we will start from intro. So the intro we will start from the right side. We cross the hands. Okay, are you ready? At the first part, we will hit your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. Another side. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is the intro. So the next part is words. Okay, so we will start after we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. We do like this. We bow 3 times. 1 and 2. Hands 3, 4. We swing 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time. Ready? Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Swing 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time, slowly, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, swing. 5, 6, 7, step touch. 1, 2, 3, go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. And the next part, ready? We will do step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, straight arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, your leg will close, not open. Okay, this step one more time. Step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. So we will do from intro together again. All the thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6. Step touch. 1, 2. We go down. 5, 6. One more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step touch. 1, 2, 3. Go down. 5, 6. Next step. Step touch. Step touch. Hip. 5, 6, 7. Go straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stretch arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. And the next step before we dance chorus. This next part, earthquake, a little bit faster, okay? After we do 5, 6, 7, 8, we use the left hand when we go to the right, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And your hands and hips, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? We do again one more time. Earthquake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we do X block. 1. Okay. Your right leg cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You get it? Okay. Earthquake part. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, X block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Okay, and the next one you will walk to the front. Your hand like this. After you X block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, your right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we reach 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is all the step earthquake part. Okay, we will do again earthquake part. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, with 5, 6, 8, lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, walk to the front, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. Okay, we do again from the beginning to this part, and we will continue to chorus. Okay, from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, swing. 5, 6, 7, step touch. 1, 2, we go down. 5, 6, 7, one more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step touch. 1, 2, your hip. 5, 6, say your arms, stretch, and 5, 6, 7, one more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, straight arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Earthquake part. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hit 5, 6. We do X lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk to the front. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great job. So the next part we will dance chorus. Okay, very easy. Everybody I think know this choreo already. Okay, so we will start. Snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You use your hips just a little bit. We do again one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the next step, we will swing your arms and stomp your leg 2 times like this. 1, 2, another side. 3, 4. Okay, from the beginning, go. 1, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the next step, 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Your hand, 7, 8. Okay, ready? We will do it again one more time. Actually, you can think in your brain, cha cha cha, cha cha cha. It's more easy. Okay, so we will do again one more time for chorus. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Strong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha, cha cha cha. Okay, and the next step, your hands, and you punch, and bend your knees a little bit, and use your hip a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I need your head just like this. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last part, punch your hand. 1, 2, up, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And we will continue to we go back to verse 1. Okay, I will teach you at the main part, but the detail you can follow me in the crib, JISOO, the quick Golfy Dance Fitness. Okay, and we will do again from the beginning. Together, okay? Ready? Intro. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Verse 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Swing. 5, 6. Step touch. 1, 2, we go down, 5, 6, one more time, go 1 and 2, 3, swing, 5, 6, step touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom, next step touch your hip, 5, 6, straight arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arms, and 5, 6, earthquake part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, X walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we walk to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we walk back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we start, 1, 2, 3, 4, cha, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. Okay, great job. This is all the main part that we must learn before we go to dance with the music. Okay, I hope all you guys like this video. I will make this video like this as much as I have time. Okay, I hope all you guys enjoy. See you next video. สวัสดีครับ